my 09 335i, full bolt-ons, you know. It's got a stage 0 MHD reflash. I got the car like that, so I don't know how much of a difference that is from the stock version. I'm gonna start it up. Open the window first so you can hear it. If you want to start, shit. Such a rough start. You put it on sport mode. You downshift. That's third gear. I don't know if the wind can really let y'all hear the burble, but I mean, that's third gear. Second gear. It's pretty fast, honestly. Put it back on sport mode. And I'm gonna just, you know, gun it. So far, I've only raced a couple cars, and I've kept up with most of them. And I raced this one guy. He's on E85, full bolt-ons, 370Z Nismo, and he beat me. But I mean, he beat me by like, I don't know, a car and a half. Can't remember. And I got it on video, but it's nothing that crazy. It was the first time I ever tried racing in this car, so it wasn't that great. But I mean, I could use that as a comparison because he did beat me, and then I want to get my reflash, so I want to get the rerun to see who wins this time. So yeah. Turn off the traction control, not completely off, but I mean, you can see the difference from this. It lost some traction, but I mean, that's fun. So imagine the full traction control off. This thing has actually gone sideways on me, and so it was that was a little scary. But I mean, it's something you just get used to or learn how to drive a real-wheel drive car. I'm not saying I'm out here doing crazy stuff because I don't trust myself yet, but I mean, yeah. So we made it at Walmart. We're gonna go see if I find a good battery charger and purchase it. Most likely gonna reflash the car today, so stay tuned. So I'm back. I got the Beamer parked next to the Civic, and I went to Walmart. I really didn't see any battery chargers that convinced me, you know, that looked good or actually performed good. They're pretty expensive in my opinion. So what I'm gonna do might be ghetto, but I mean, it should work in theory. I'm just gonna turn on the Civic and pass some jumper cables to the Beamer and just leave the Civic while it's doing the reflash. I mean, it should work. So yeah, I mean, I'm turning it on right now. I hope that's enough gas though. Sounds like shit. Well, it's flashing right now. I got the Civic on and it's doing its thing right now. So yeah, I hope it works. It says 100%, alright. Success, turn off ignition and wait for 30 seconds. I'll turn it back on. Everything looks normal. Make sure that ignition is turned on and that an Android device is turned on. Well, I mean, I forgot to put my phone on airplane mode, so I don't know what that means. I don't know. Alright, so I just did the reflash on it, and I haven't really pulled on it, but I feel a difference already. Like, I don't know if it's just me, if it's a little laggy, but I feel like there's a difference. There's definitely a difference. I for sure feel it. Let's see here. Oh yeah, this is way much faster. It picks up speed fast. Does it feel faster to you?
Yeah.
Like 1 to 10?
A 10.
A 10?
9.
You're like, this is a completely new car. Let's see, there's a straighter over here. This thing is a rocket, dude. Holy. Okay, here we go. The one thing I didn't play with was with the burble tune, which I think the old map the car came with had more burble. Because right now I'm in 3rd gear. Normally you would hear a lot of burble, and it's not doing it. Yeah, it's not doing it. So I might have to go back and reflash it with a little bit more burble, because I like that, honestly. But I mean, the car is fast. It's a tune,
Yeah, the popcorn tune.
a flame map, I think it's called.
Isn't that bad though?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I think VQs can do it like
Oh shit!
that. Shit's nice.
That's